Hello, Beau. You'd rather pick on Auntie Lane, wouldn't you? Oh.
Don't snaggle on Grandma Wilma. Nope, she won't like that.
Hi, Pumpkin. How come you're not playing with the other kids?
Look at her. She sees her shadow.
She sees her shadow.
She sees her shadow. Oh, goodness gracious, Cherish. Is that scary dog in that door gonna get you? That's
Boy,
funny.
you guys have put some nice little rips on each other's necks.
Look at. Uh-oh. Lita has a fight. Oh, Hope's gonna watch TV. Well, Elaine.
And Miss Beau just wants to sit on someone's lap. Don't chuck it up. Don't chuck, Pumpkin. Yes, Pumpkin.
Can't see her in the dark.
She just wants to
Boy,
sit
she
on the
is.
lap and
Yep.
kiss.
Kiss,
That's
kiss,
all
kiss,
she
kiss,
wants
kiss.
to do. Don't honk my nose.
Oh, look, now they're both trying to figure out where are those other dogs.
Go see what your sisters are doing.
You get it, Cherish. That other dog over there keeps staring at her. It's like a mirror, isn't it?
Oh, you guys love to